Okay, there's a question about swatches that I had this before. Let's check out, let's actually check out this product. We were here originally, right? And um, we have this product. Let's preview this. Even though the image you see there, the image of the listing is not properly updated. Remember, you can always pick, for example, you can go one pet, red decorated, hello Christmas, okay, yes, decorated, and pet name Charlie, and it's a dog, breed beagle, right? So this is the preview, and remember, you can always click here, zoom in, and save this image. Later replace the listing you have on your the listing image you have in your store. What if we want to do some adjustments to the options? Remember, these options are fully customizable. They are automatically done by Customily, but nothing stops you from adjusting this a bit more. So for example, if we want to modify these options, we can go here to the setting of the product. When we see template and we also see the options, we click on the options. And in the options, we can actually preview them in here. Let's preview, and let's have like 40 options per page. So you start by number of pets and red decorations, if you want decorated or no decorated, and choose option. These are drop downs. And when we pick one pet and we choose dog, these are swatches. So if we click on the title here, you see there's a button here called locate this. This is a swatch. The type of option is a swatch. And if we click on number of pets, this type of option is a drop down. So we can always change between swatches and drop downs without losing information, because if you scroll a bit down, you will see that basically what you have are values. You have 1, 2, 3 pets. You can modify this. You can click to open, change the name, do whatever you want. But if we come here and we change this type of option to a swatch, of course, it will tell you it's a swatch, and it will allow you to show images. So whenever we click here to open, we see the value, but we also see the chance to upload an image. So I can upload, let me see if I have something around here. Okay, I'm just going to use this. I can change this. So one pet will be the heart, and 2 pets will be the diamond. Okay, so that way you modify any swatch you want. If you go here, you can go, and this is a swatch actually. You can come here and you can click to open and see the swatches already here. You can remove them and upload your own if you want to change them all the time. And if you don't want any swatches, but you actually want colors, you can remove the image and pick a color, and that color will show by default. The same goes here. If we remove this and we change this, it will show by default. And the swatch 3 will be the same. I'm going to pick something like that. Maybe a blue. Okay. Right? So it didn't update yet. How did I? Okay, like that. So you can always change this, and you can modify whatever swatch you want. In fact, if you start clicking here and you open, all these are swatches you can change at any time. Very useful when you have small graphics that you want to improve and to show an example. You craft your own thumbnails and you upload them here for a better user experience. Save it, and it will reflect right away in your storefront. Okay, let's come here and refresh. And now you have the number of pets is 1, 2, and 3 pets, just like that. It's still the same function, but you were able to change the swatches. There's a question that I wanted to connect here that is the production file the one you should trust when creating the product, when it sometimes doesn't correspond to the preview or the images are out of frame? We have seen this. The print file is very important, is the most important thing. You can set that up in the template right there, or it will always center on the print area of any product you select from a POD. But whenever you fix that, you make sure that the print, which is the important part because it will fulfill eventually, the print should always be exact as it's going to be. Then the preview is something you can adjust and slightly modify to create the necessary effect. Remember that the preview you see right here, uh, of course, the color would not be the same. The background is something different. The glow and whatever. This is not a extremely perfect representation of a real product because it's not a photo of a product, but it's actually a mock-up. But we try to make it as real as possible. But as any mock-up, you can do slight adjustments without any problems, just to make sure you represent the most realistic way whatever you are selling. So yes, the print is the most important part. Making sure the print will go out perfectly will allow you to play a bit with the preview. And after resizing the ornament in the template, how do I get the new product photo for my store? We have seen that also. We click preview to save this image and go to our backend and replace that. It's just, yeah, we come here to the ornament and we replace the media, or we even add more media.